Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, to all my students, CSC 441. So today I will introduce to you a new software which is Adobe Animate. So this is a software where you can design your own character or your own animation. So this is example, you can see the movement of the character. Okay, so this is the first interface that we have. Okay, basically, so we have the interface of the where you have welcome, okay, and also at the left side you have new. So first step, you need to create new, okay, and then automatically it will show you the size, okay, of your characters or where you want to design it. So choose character animation standard and then create. Okay, so this is basically, okay, the interface of the Adobe Animate. So the white color here is the scene 1, so where you design your animation. At the right side is the properties, okay, at the left side is the panel tool. So let's say you cannot have that, so where it is hide, so you can go to window, okay, and then you just click and unclick the panel that you want to view. Okay, at the bottom here is the timeline, okay, where you put the all your characters, okay, and your all the your animation. Okay, so now I will show you how you can insert. Okay, so the first step, okay, you need to remember class, in animation the first step that you want to have your movement, or if you want to insert any asset or characters or elements, so you need to click on the layer and then frame. So this is the concept of timeline where you have a frame. Okay, so I will click layer 1, frame 1, and then I insert one shape, okay, which is the oval tool, okay, and then I click and drag, okay, click and drag, okay, and then if, okay, let's say you want to have the movement of the ball, okay, so you have the bouncing ball. So in the traditional way, you need to have each of the frame, so you need to have the movement. So how to insert the new movement, okay, you need to use the keyframe. So go to second frame, okay, and then insert keyframe. Okay, now you move it, the ball, the circle. Okay, how to move using selection tool. Okay, you move it. Okay, and then go to the next one. Okay, insert keyframe again, then move it. Okay, okay, and then insert keyframe, then move. So this is the traditional way where you need to move one by one. Okay, this is basically okay, what happened, okay, when you have the slow motion, right? Okay, so can you imagine, okay, how you can create the characters, how the characters speak? So you need to have how many frames? Okay, so I will show you the traditional way, then we will go for the using the computer animation technique. Okay, so each the concept is very simple in animation. If you want to have the design, the different action, so you need to insert the keyframe. Okay, that is the way. Okay, okay, so let's say this is what happens. So how I can test. Okay, so using the play or enter. Okay, okay, so if you have if you want to have a smooth, okay, motion, so you need to have more layers, more frames. Okay, so more frames, okay, the movement will be become smooth. Okay, okay, all right. Another things, okay, let's say I want to use different technique. Okay, so insert keyframe. Okay, then I want to have okay, let's say I want to insert keyframe here 25. Okay, then I want to move the ball up there. Okay, okay, and then okay, actually you can use okay, again I show you. Okay, in order for you to have skip, okay, you don't create the movement for each frame. So I want to skip from frame 17, okay, and then I want to go to frame 25. Okay, so if I don't use this technique, so what happened? Okay, there is no motion, right? Okay, so how I create motion? So click in the between though, click the between, right click, and then you create, okay, classic twin. Okay, so we have motion twin, classical twin, and shape twin. Okay, okay, so you need to convert first actually. Okay, so what happened? Okay, so you can you see? Okay, that is the way. Okay, where you can use skip, okay, using the create motion. Okay, using the classic motion. Okay, so that is the concept of animation class. Okay, let's say you want to enlarge. Okay, so again, okay, insert the keyframe. Okay, then you can move it. Okay, then you can enlarge. So how to enlarge it? Go to the free transform. Okay, click the object first, transform, bentuk besar kecil kan. Okay, okay, and then how you can change the colors? Okay, go the arrow. Okay, this is the color. Right, the fill. Here also we can have, okay, different. Okay, let's say something like that. Okay, and then if you look at the top here, okay, so let's say you double click and then it will go to the object properties. Okay, so you go back to the scene 1. Okay, click the scene 1 here. Okay, so what happened from 25 to 20, okay, 25, okay, so from small to big, right? Okay, when you enter, okay, okay, and then if you want to just move, okay, so you can move the frame also, click and drag. Okay, I use again motion twin. Okay, okay, so that is the very first concept of the animation. Okay, and then if you want to insert new layer class, okay, let's say you want to have different object, okay, so you need to use different layers. Okay, do not put the same object or asset in the same layer. So how to create new layer? So click here plus, okay, and then okay, I want to make it tall. You just drag it, cannot drag. Okay. Okay, if you want to view all layers, just click here, right? Okay, so different version, different interface. Sometimes I got confused. Okay, for layer 3, so you can rename it, double click, rename it. Okay, let's say this is the background. Okay, okay, layer 1 is actually your double click is your ball, for example. Okay, so what is the concept again? You need to go to the first frame, okay, and then you put the any object that you want. Okay, let's say I just find, do we have any asset here or object? Okay, go to this panel, asset. Okay, and then I try to find any static characters or static background. Okay. Okay. So let's say I want to use yellow beach sand or no wood. Okay, you just click and drag into it. Okay, so this is if you don't have that, you can also save it from the internet. Okay, images. Okay, okay, and then you can import it. Okay, how to import? Okay, import to the library or stage. Okay, okay, let's say import Okay, I want to have, okay, I try to find any, do I have any, okay, let's say this one. Okay, this is, I have already saved. Okay. Okay, so this is where you save on your own. Okay, so you can also have that. Okay, so I just remove it. Okay, click delete. Okay, this is okay where I already inserted from the asset. Okay, I want to resize it to make sure it is in the stage size. Okay, so make sure it is in the stage size. Okay, let's say something like this. Okay, okay, and then if you look class at wood layer, okay, on the top, okay, background, okay, okay, and then a ball. Okay, so actually when you insert something that is from the asset, okay, object, so it will create the new layer by their own. Okay, but if you insert something that on your own, okay, you masukkan sendiri tu, you need to create your layer first, then you create a frame, then you insert the image. Okay, okay, sekali lagi I show you. For example, background. Okay, I choose I click frame 1, okay, and then I go to file, okay, import, okay, import to the stage. Okay, so I import the picture back. Okay, so automatically, okay, it will lock, or it will paste into the layer background. Okay, dekat mana? Frame 1. Okay, tapi okay, but look carefully. So now we have 3 layers, right? Okay, when you have 3 layers, so the layer concept tu, who is on the top will be appear. Okay, so if you want to have your ball on the top, so the background will be the at back kan, so you just click and drag. Okay, tarik je. Okay, and then if you want to hide, okay, let's say I want to hide my background here, so click the eye. Okay, klik saja eye tu, it will not delete but hide. Okay, okay, now I have my background. Okay, so I want to try, just play back. Okay, this is the example of the background. Okay, so this is how you insert animation, where how you create your animation, where you need to have your storyboard first, okay, your elements, then after that you can create on your own. Okay, okay, so the last step for our first introduction, so you need to save the file, save as. Okay, so let's say this is the tutorial 1. Okay, it will save as .fle. Okay, animate document is almost same as flash. Okay, fle. Okay, save. So this is the native where you can open it again to edit in the Adobe Animate. Okay, but how you can publish it? Okay, publish means that you can make it as a GIF file, or you can make it as layer file. Okay, so where you can view or play back your animation without using the Adobe Animate. Okay, okay, so control, you can test the scene or movie. Okay, okay, and then we have here, okay, text, okay, modify, insert. Okay, okay. Okay, so this is I test in the movie, the whole movie. Okay, okay, so now I want to, if you want to make a loop, you can also make a loop. I want to publish it. Okay, so how to publish it? So at the right here, or file, okay, publish also. Okay, at the file also you can publish, or you can also setting it first. Okay, so setting is where you can okay, I want to have the output, and then where I want to put it. Okay, where you want to save it. Okay, Okay, so let's say I want to put it in the same folder as my FLA file. Okay, so the Flash Player file will be the .swf. Okay, so this is setting. Alright, and then once you setting, you just publish. Okay, so how you can view it? So go to the folder. Okay, that tutorial and then animate. Okay, so this is the we can say that exe. Okay, so yang ini dia stand alone. Okay, but you need to have the Adobe Flash Player. Okay, okay, so this is your first okay, animation. Alright, so I hope you can try it. Okay, first you need to have the Animate. Okay, after that you try the first introduction. Okay. Okay, so I think that's all. Okay, thank you class. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.